So big up to IshowSpeed. He is currently touring Jamaica, and we want to give him a warm welcome here from Politics Plus. Hello, neighbor.
Yes.
And we hope he enjoys his stay. And it was so nice to see him. You know, he likes beef patty apparently. Love beef patty,
Like me.
KFC.
Like me.
So so big up to you, IshowSpeed. Enjoy your vacation,
Yeah.
enjoy yourself, and I hope you come back to Jamaica more often. Yes.
All right. So big up Aisha Speed. Is Aisha Speed listening to the program? Will he be listening in?
I don't think he's listening to the program, but I'm sure somebody might know him and let him know that we big him up on this show because it's nice to see him. He's in Jamaica, touring the Caribbean actually, but now he's in Jamaica, and our island looks small on the map, but it is Talawa. Looks tinier than Connecticut, but really land mass is the size of Texas
Yeah.
because of the mountains. So there's lots to see in Jamaica.
Yeah. All right. Aisha Speed, big up yourself, and we hope to link with you one of these